Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Want to know how to get freebies on Craigslist? Let's get started. First, open a browser and go to www.craigslist.org. Once you are there, click on Post in the top left corner of the page. Next, choose for sale by owner or for sale by dealer to continue. On the choose category page that appears next, select the radio button labeled free stop. Be sure to observe the cautions next to it. Do not advertise wanted ads, pets, promotional giveaways, or intangible or digital items. Now, fill in all the required details for your free items. Give your post a catchy title, describe the item, and include your location. Adding images can make your post more appealing. Once you have entered all the information, hit continue to preview your post. Make sure everything looks good. If you're happy with your post, click submit to make it live. You might need to verify your email if it's your first time posting. And there you have it. Your freebie is now listed on Craigslist. Thanks for watching.